In today's tutorial, I'm going to choose how to change the default action that occurs when you push the power button on your ASUS laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, you come back with settings, open that up. On the left side, you want to select where it says system. And then over on the right side, you want to scroll down and select the power option. And then select power button controls. Choose what happens when you interact with your device's physical controls. Select that. And then where it says plugged in or on battery, so if you have a laptop or tablet, there would be additional options here. So when you press the power button, that'll make your PC either do nothing, sleep, shut down, or turn off the display. Make your preferred selection choice, and that's all you have to do. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.